Alright, right.
Command line Wireshark features 3 streams, objects, and credentials. There are plenty of filters designed for multiple purposes. The common filtering options for specific operations are explained below. Note that most of the commands shown below are CLI versions of the Wireshark features discussed in the Wireshark module follow stream. This option helps analysts to follow traffic streams similar to Wireshark. The query structure is explained in the table given below.
Streams, objects, and credentials. So it's just command line version of that. Oh, that's probably why it ain't working. Yeah. ASCII. I don't know if that works. It does work. Like, oh, you know what I want to do? I'm gonna do color. Whoa, that's totally encrypted. Fuck. God damn it. I did what I do wrong. God damn it. How the fuck did I do that? How the fuck did I just encrypt all that? Man. I don't even know how I did that. That's cool. Boom. What the fuck is that doing? Is it trying to give me credentials? Okay. Follow TCP and ASCII. Oh, it's trying to do an ASCII format. My dumbass. Fuck. I forgot I typed ASCII. I was wondering what the fuck I kept doing that for. Fuck. God, I was confused. What is it finding? Payload, opcode detection, smuggling, WebSocket true. Close. No. Nothing. It's English. Well. Well, let's do that. TShark. Read. What are we doing? Demo.pcapng. See what that looks like. ng. There's z. Oop, no. There's z. Follow. TCP. ASCII. I don't know what the one means. It still shows all the packets. And that's an HTTP. Filter TCP string. One. What's the mode? So it shows the HTTP header and shit, but it's still encrypted. Still encrypted. Okay, let's read this real quick. -z follows main parameter for the follow stream. You got TCP, UDP, HTTP. Let's do HTTP. How come it picked up how come I did HTTP even though I didn't even type HTTP? It gave me HTTP header. Well, even I didn't want HTTP header. That was weird. Is there anything in UDP? Let's see. Probably not. Probably nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing in UDP. Anything HTTP 2? HTTP 2. Error, yeah, there's no HTTP 2. You know, I didn't know there was HTTP 3. But evidently, when I was doing my Wireshark shit, there was HTTP 3 going on. I didn't even fucking know that's a thing. And UDP. There was UDP shit going on. Of course, nothing UDP is going on right now, but usually, yeah, there we go. Boom. What's up, man? Yeah, where's it at? And fuck, what the hell is that protocol? I never heard that motherfucker. Where's HTTP 2? I know that, or HTTP 3. I know it's gonna pop up. Let's see. HTTP 3. That motherfucker. It's gonna pop up now. There it is. Look, HTTP 3. Ain't that fucking crazy? So now they're trying to use. So now I found out the new protocols. Instead of using TCP, they're trying to use HTTP 3 with UDP. I didn't even know they were doing that now. I figured. But why? I don't understand why they're using. So it's like a new way of using TCP encryption with TLS encryption is using UDP with HTTP 3. So HTTP 3 uses UDP, I think, using the QUIC protocol. Designed address limitations like HTTP 2, but performance and handling it uses UDP. That's what QUIC is using UDP. It's like a TCP model, but it's not TCP. It's using UDP. I'm fucking, in my mind, I'm so fucking confused on how that even makes sense. But it don't, but it does. You know? So, it's still secure using TLS encryption, but I don't know. I really don't fully get it. Why we're using, so UDP, we're trying to switch to UDP now. So I guess it don't matter. I guess they just don't give a fuck if it talks back. You know? That's crazy. All my UDP shit is going to Google. Like, this is all Google. I think, no, that's not Google. What the fuck's this shit? What the hell's MDNS? Multicast Domain Name System. What is the MDMS protocol? I never heard of that. MDMS protocol. Multicast Domain Name System is a protocol that enables devices on local network to resolve host names to IP addresses without relying on a central DNS server. So instead of going out to the DNS server, it's trying to resolve it with a MAC address, I assume. Where's the... This is Google, I think. Hang on. Yeah, that's Google. Google. I don't know. Fuck that. That's just my router talking to itself. And that is, what's that talking? That's talking to the broadcast. Yeah, all F's. That's a broadcast. Why is it broadcasting on UDP, man? It's so weird. There's Google again. There's Google. That's probably Google too. There's a lot of Google shit going on, man. I don't know. I really don't get it, to be honest. I really don't. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Alright, let's read this.
This option helps analysts to follow traffic streams similar to Wireshark. The query structure is explained in the table given below.
The query structure is, that's the follow, that's the main parameter to follow a stream. So you got TCP, UDP, HTTP, different protocols. Even though HTTP 2 and 3 can be used with UDP or TCP. You can view in hex or ASCII. ASCII's like English, like human readable. Stream number. So that's what I'm putting at N as a stream number. A different stream number. Hey, I don't want HTTP 2. What's 0? 0 is a different stream. 1 is a different stream. 3, 2, that's a different stream of what? What is that trying to do? What's 3 now? Nothing. So only thing 2. So there's 1 and 0. So there's only 2 different streams of T. So there's only 2 different TCP streams. I'm assuming on this. What is this? Windows 95, 98, and oh, I gotta blow my nose, damn it. I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks that's crazy. Instead of TCP now. That's crazy, look at that.
Yes, quick UDP internet connections is being used in place of TCP for certain applications, particularly in the context of HTTP/3. While not a wholesale replacement for TCP, Quick offers advantages in terms of speed and security.
That's crazy. I didn't know anything about that. I didn't know that we were trying to do that now. You know? I think it's been something for years now.
Export objects. This option helps analysts to extract files from DICOM, HTTP, IMF, SMB, and TFTP. The query structure is explained in the table given below.
What is DICOM? Is that a protocol? Digital imaging communications to medicine. I don't know if that's a protocol or what. I don't think that's a protocol, damn it. I don't know what the fuck IMF is. And TFTP is on. Damn, what's TFTP? No. Minimal FTP, trivial. It's using UDP. So DICOMs are what the fuck is the IMF protocol? Oh. Man, I do not know. I wonder if they got Fortinet on here. I don't think they do. Or just any type of firewall. It's not Cisco. is this? Is this a firewall or what? I don't know if this is a firewall or what. I'm assuming that's a firewall. You motherfucker. What the fuck? It won't let me type shit. Oh, the client does VPN. Where I want to see a goddamn firewall is what I want to see. I'm assuming that's a firewall. Copper straight. I don't know. I'm fucking with this. I just want to see what a firewall look like. I don't fucking know. Hard to save the folders, files. Don't need to do the quiet parameter. You can filter packets and follow the streams by using the parameters below. Export objects. Let's try it real quick. Don't care about the dash Q. What's up, bro? What's up? Runch 9? Runch knee? I don't know. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm not gonna type that motherfucker out. I still can't get over that, man. Fucking, I didn't know we're trying to use UDP on everything now. Alright, oh yeah, where'd that go? Let's see what the fuck that did. Did that do anything? So what did I export exactly? I didn't even export objects. What objects did I try to export? Credentials and shit, and just HTML. What was ever in that packet? How can? Well, okay, if I export objects in here, there's DICOM. Oh, well, do I have anything to export? No, I didn't get anything on this capture. SM server message block. I don't think I got anything. Did I get anything? I didn't get not even nothing. Not even HTTP. Got nothing. I don't know. Got nothing on that. I downloaded a bunch of. Am I still getting packets? No. I can't believe there's so much shit in UDP going on. Usually, I didn't have nothing pop up ever for UDP. I bet it's because I got that encryption key in here now. I bet it's Chrome. This gotta be. If that's all Google, I bet this is all Chrome. It's gotta be. Because before I put that decryption key in my Wireshark, it never popped up shit for UDP. Which is weird. Nothing. None of this is OBS Studios or nothing. It's all just Google. That's talking. That's well. Then that's a DNS query. Yeah, I can tell. Jesus, but these are all Google. Huh. Okay, so I exported HTTP traffic. I guess is what I did. HTTP. I don't see this. Oh, I put okay. There we go. HTTP. I was trying to fucking figure that out. How to understand that. Like, what am I exporting? There's different things. So could I put DICOM? Let's put DICOM. Let's put fucking DICOM. I know there's no DICOM in that, but did it? Well, if there was, it would have saved it probably. So okay. So when we export objects, you got to put what you want to export. Be any of these. I still don't know really don't know what IMF is. I really still don't understand what the fuck IMF. I really don't understand that. The internet message format for operating, including decision making. This don't seem right. I don't think that's what I think this is. I don't know, because DICOM is the medical shit, I think. Digital imaging communications and medicine. I don't know. Can I see any of this? Can I do anything with this? Can I view it? Oh, fuck. Well, okay, whatever. I don't know exactly what HTTP should I extract it. There we go. I was gonna say I should have popped something up at least. Cool. How come it don't do that? You know what? Let's go back. You know what? I'm down and shit. Let's go to an HTTP website. HTTP. I can. Oh fuck no, not that. God damn it, fucked up. Now it's gonna make my window weird. HTTP forever. Not secure. Boom. Now export objects. God damn it. Huh. Screen. There's some text. TryHackMe. Look at that. That's in plain text. Where is that? Let's export all this. Let's just fucking see what it looks like. Let's do a new folder. Test. Let's export that. What's this site? Is this? I don't know. Now test. What am I looking for? That's different. This one is HTML. I don't think I got any HTML. It's all just JavaScript. There's a video? What's an OGA? I don't know. Let's try it. Is that a video? What the fuck is that? Wi-Fi hotspot. HTTP. Yeah, there's the shit from the HTTP website. Is this a video? What is this? No one knows what is that what that is? Oh, it saved a sound clip from. That's what that was. There's a fixed keys. What's that? There's another one. Notepad. That's an HTTP header. Huh. Jesus. So that was a bunch of bullshit. Well, that's cool. Okay. Let's continue. Let's quit fucking Credentials. Okay. Wait a second. What are credentials in this one too? Where's credentials? Where the fuck is credentials? I forgot. It's not conversations. Where the fuck is that at? Credentials in Wireshark. No, there's literally a fucking tab port somewhere. Where the fuck is it at? Credentials tab, Wireshark. I know there's a credentials tab. Where the fuck is it? Okay, tools, credentials. I knew it was in here fucking somewhere. Fuck, it didn't pick up any. Okay. I figured that would be one right there. There's a plain text fucking password right there. Working on. This is probably the same shit I already know. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, well, let's see what credentials look like. Is there a credentials peek at? There is a credentials peek at. Yeah, Z credentials. Jesus. What's the password? I forgot how to get the password from it though. Follow UDP stream 0. Okay, TShark - read demo.pcapng. We're gonna do -z. Follow UDP stream 0. Follow UDP ASCII stream 0. What is the node 0 value? What do you mean node 0? I really don't know what that means. Oh. So now we need Cyber Chef. Where's Cyber Chef? Always need fucking. They always want to defang it, and the point of defanging is so you can't accidentally. Why do eBay cookbooks pop up? It's so you can't accidentally click on the link. There's the defang. Really, you can just do it yourself, but it's whatever. Follow the HTTP stream 1. Oh, I am on day 85. Damn. 5 more days away from a 90-day badge, I guess. Okay. We're gonna do HTTP stream 1. What is the refer value? There it is. Copy link address. XXP. Is that even a real link? Does it go to anything? Either rail is for sale. What is the total number of condensed? I thought, damn, I just did that. There, or let's do, what's it, number line, NL, yeah. Damn. That can't be right. No, that's not right. Okay, is it just NL? How do I number line? The NL command can help. How the fuck do I do that? I forgot the NL command, exclude the banner lines. What's that mean? The fuck do you mean exclude the banner lines? It's NL, is it, TShark, Z dash, is it dash NL? TShark, precap, okay, here. Dash NL. God damn it. Oh, just fucking Jesus Christ here. I don't remember how to do it. Whatever. Just give me the commands. I can't remember the fucking command. I need NL. Okay, so I need to do that. Okay. NL. Jesus Christ, that can't be right. There's no way there's that many lines. Oh, fuck. $78, motherfucker. Oh, -3 for 74. Okay, there's 3 right there you don't need. $78 -3, 75. There we go. Yeah, so that's what I thought. Alright, whatever.
Advanced filtering options contains, matches, and extract fields. Accomplishing in-depth packet analysis sometimes ends up with a special filtering requirement that cannot be covered with default filters. TShark supports Wireshark's contains and matches operators, which are the key to the advanced filtering options. You can visit the Wireshark Packet Operations Room, Task 6, if you are unfamiliar with these filters. A quick recap from the Wireshark Packet Operations Room.
Filter contains, search the value side of packets, case sensitive, similar to Wireshark's find option. Matches, searches a pattern side of packet, supports fucks rejects. Oh shit, that's what that is. Case insensitive, complex queries have a margin of error.
Note: the contains and matches operators cannot be used with fields consisting of integer values.
Alright.
Tip: using hex and regex values instead of ASCII always has a better chance of a match. Extract fields. This option helps analysts to extract specific parts of data from the packets. In this way, Analysts have the opportunity to collect and correlate various fields from the packets. It also helps analysts manage the query output on the terminal. The query structure is explained in the table given below.
Extract fields, dash T fields, target field, dash E, field name, dash T fields. Target field is dash E, the field name. To show field name, dash E, header equals yes to show the field name. So dash T fields, dash E, there's the fucking target field. What is I don't even know what the fuck a field is. They just pop up shit and don't explain what the fuck it is. Dash E source, dash E. So that's the field. So we're trying to find IP source and then the IP destination, and then show the field name of AP of E equals header equals yes, and dash count 5. Dash count 5. What do you mean dash count 5? Dash count 5, right? You know what dash C is? What is dash C in TShark? God damn it. Compress. Capture packet count. Set the maximum. So 5. Okay, packet count. Let's not do a packet count. If I did dash packet count 5, it'll just give me 5. Okay. Alright. Oh, fuck, man. Filter contains. It's a comparison operator. It searches a value inside packets. It is case insensitive and provides similar functionality to the find option by focusing on a specific field. Example: find all Apache servers. Workflow: list all HTTP packets where the server field contains the Apache keyword. TShark demo pcap ng dash y. What's the y? Why do I need a y? Is that the search? Is that contains? Is dash y the contains operator? What the fuck's the goddamn dash y? Whatever. Server contains Apache. That's the reason why you want to use 1 semicolon instead of 2. So that's one Apache server right there. Or one of these are the Apache server, I don't know which one. Alright. And that's the way they give me the fields. I want dash T fields, which is telling it that, hey, I want these fields, and then I want IP source, IP destination, and then show that, and then HTTP server, and then show the header, yes. Right. Wow, it's weird. IP source, and that's IP destination, and HTTP server, that's Apache. Or does it show Apache? It searched for it, but it did not show the results of it saying Apache. But it's giving me the header of that's an Apache server. Ah, fucking brain always hurts after a long day of working to try to do this. What's on my, I ain't checked LinkedIn in a minute. It's nothing. Like that. filter matches. It's a comparison operator. Just like all of them. So that's a regex, a regular expression. A regular expression. I don't know how to use regular expressions. It is case insensitive and complex queries have a margin of error. I'm sure. Just because it's case insensitive. File on PHP and HTML pages. That's a good example. So we're gonna look for find matches that says get and post with the bracket. What's that bracket called? What is that bracket called? What is this character called? Vertical bar, whatever. I could have fucking said vertical bar. Pipe symbol. That's what it's called. It's called a pipe symbol. God, my nose won't stop running. It's getting dark out there. So find all matches that have the HTTP request of get or post. And then again, that's the way to show you want source, blah blah blah. Show field name, e-header equals yes. What is the HTTP packet number that contains the keyword cafe? It contains filter. Okay, so TShark -read demo.pcapng-y for search contains okay, HTTP I think it's this field contains cafe. I don't know. I don't think I'm doing that right. Let's see. Well, the packet number is 27. Filter the packets. Matches and extract fields filter. Let's see, so TShark-r demo.pcapng. Oh, my brain's hurting. Oh, fuck. -y, we want frame time. You know what? All I need is to actually copy this. Let's see. Technically, I don't even have to type all that. And we just need yes, and then we need dash T, wait, ooh, dash E frame time. Dash E frame. Let's see. E frame that time. There we go. I didn't even have to type all that. Was the first time value found? That's the first one. Does it need UTC? Yep. All right. All right. Fuck. What is my try? Where am I at on this? $57,509.
Use cases when investigating a case. A security analyst should know how to extract host names, DNS queries, and user agents to hunt low-hanging fruits after viewing the statistics and creating an investigation plan. The most common 4 use cases for every security analyst are demonstrated below. If you want to learn more about the mentioned protocols and benefits of the extracted info, please refer to the Wireshark traffic analysis room.
Okay. Extract information. Extract host names. TShark has read host names at pcap-t fields. Why is it dash T? Why is it dash T now? Dash T fields. Okay, that's the extract fields. Dash T fields is the command, and dash E is the field name of that. Jesus. That's the first 10. Bunch of host names right there.
The above example shows how to extract host names from DHCP packets with TShark. However, the output is hard to manage when multiple duplicate values exist. A skilled analyst should know how to use native Linux tools/utilities to manage and organize the command line output, as shown below.
I fucking wasn't even paying attention. Damn it, let me read that.
The above example shows how to extract host names from DHCP packets with TShark. However, the output is hard to manage when multiple duplicate values exist. A skilled analyst should know how to use native Linux tools/utilities to manage and organize the command line output, as shown below.
Sort unique. So it puts it in count. Now what's the first thing? Awk NF. I don't even know what awk NF. What is the Linux command? Is it awk? Is that a command or is it NF? Sort or yeah, what is the awk? Awk, just a scripting language is helpful. Command line is also a widely used command for text processing. You are able to select data. I don't know what awk is. Awk NF. I forget what NF means. And it sorts that in order. Reverse order. Why did it reverse it? Why is it reversing it? Count the number of occurrences in each unique file. Okay, so that's what that is. Let's get rid of the fucking sort reverse. See what that looks like. Jesus. So there's a point in the reverse, huh? There's that name, and then there's that name again. I don't get what the sort reverse means. Okay, there we go. There we go. Thank God. I was trying to figure out what the hell this shit means. I read a little bit further, but it told me. The query TShark does read host names pcat dash t fields is extract fields, and that's the field name of DHCP option. The host names we're looking, so add the field of the host names, and then is the main query, of course, extract the DHCP host name values, and then awk nf is remove empty lines. Okay, I was wondering what the fuck that was. Sort dash r sort recursively before handling what is recursive. Let's see. Show unique values, but calculate and show the number of occurrences. Okay. Sort or the final sort process. Show the output results from high occurrences to list. Fuck, man, my brain's hurting. Wow. Shit. Extract DNS queries. Extract user agents from that PCAP. That's itchy. Okay, well, I want that command again, and I'm gonna do number line. $30. Proves PC. Here we got 4. Oh, what? 12. My dumbass. Use the DNS queries that PCAP to answer the questions. What is the total number of queries of the most common DNS query? 472. User agents PCAP. What is the tool number detected WFuzz agents? You got 9. Well, ten, 11, 12. What is the HTTP host name of the Nmap scams? Dash E and dash E. That's the, so WFuzz is the Nmap. Wouldn't that be the Nmap? Let's see. I think that's the Nmap. That's gotta be it. My brain hurts. Fucking right. God. Yep. I'm done for today. Why does it never pop it up for me? Why does it ever pop it up like it used to on the other ones? See? It used to pop the shit up. Oh, team. We got a challenge to do tomorrow. So the next 2 streams are gonna be some challenges. Ow. Well, that's gonna be interesting. Why does it not ever? See, it doesn't fucking. That's weird. It used to like pop up an icon and shit, like it was doing something. See, it doesn't do nothing anymore. Whatever. Alright guys, well, I got 2 challenges to do tomorrow. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Alright guys, well, good night. I'm going to bed. Good night.